Dad, a lady is waving at you.
Oh, that's Susan, my friend at work. Hi, Susan. How's it going?
Hi, Andy. I'm good. How about you guys? And who is this young man?
We're doing great. Susan, this is my son, Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Please call me either Miss Susan or just Susan, whichever you're more comfortable with. I feel so old when someone calls me ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Miss Susan.
What are you doing in this neck of the woods? Don't you guys live in the other side of town?
We had to come here to buy a shin guard for Ben. The store near our house didn't have it in stock. How about you? Are you just out here to enjoy a nice Saturday morning?
I wish that were true. My mom has a fever and I'm going to the pharmacy to pick up her medication. They're probably ready by now. I should get going. Enjoy your day, guys. Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you, Miss Susan.
Bye, Susan. Hope your mom gets better soon.
Thanks, Andy. Bye.
That's how we greet people in an informal setting. Let's summarize what we've learned so far. When two people who know each other well enough to meet, they can shake hands, or they can also hug each other. The person with a higher position of authority or age usually initiates the hug or the handshake. If two people have the same status, the woman usually initiates the hug or the handshake. If you're the one who initiates the handshake, extend your right hand out in front of you and maintain eye contact. If you're the other person, use your right hand to firmly grab the offered hand while maintaining eye contact and give no more than 3 hand pumps. Use the right amount of pressure, not too limp and not trying to crush their hand either. When you introduce people, use the name of the person with the higher position of authority or age first. If two people have the same status, use the name of the person you're most familiar with first. If you're learning English as a second language, please feel free to go back to the start of this video to repeat after us to practice your pronunciation. Pause the video as often as you need. That's it for today. Please come back next Saturday to see how we greet people in a formal setting. If you have any questions or ideas for future lessons, please comment down below.